However, if you are heating up your food entirely and keeping the food properly refrigerated or frozen before doing so, you are essentially killing the bacteria, which reduces, practically eliminates, your risk of developing a foodborne illness. How does this happen? In order to ensure that your food is reaching high enough of a temperature when microwaving, make sure to stir the meal after heating it up in the microwave to ensure that it's fully heated through before diving into your dinner. Sometimes even stirring up your food or flipping that piece of meat halfway through warming it up can help ensure that every part of your meal is evenly heated before eating. Now that you just read what are generally the unhealthiest foods you should avoid, we just had to call out some of the specific, unhealthiest packaged products you can buy at your local grocery store.